Welcome back to the channel, back with another anime ending. This time it's Chainsaw Man ending 2, bro. If you haven't seen my reaction to Chainsaw Man opening and ending, go ahead and check it out at the end of the video, bro. So let's get into this ending, dog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell so you know if I hit that video. And without further ado, let's get into this reaction, bro. Let's get everything with that. Well, that was a reference to like the episode. Is that like a living space? Or maybe those cargo girls? Oh, that's what she lives in. Oh. It's like a whole new world that we're exploring right now. I like it. I really like it. Hey, Paula there. It's like I was saying, don't go on and die on me there. Alright, yo, this was a really great ending, bro. Because I feel like every ending would like have some part of the episode in it. But it's really interesting to see like some part in it have like the episodes, you know. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video and doing this reaction, don't forget to run them likes up, leave a comment down below of any other ending or opening of any anime you want to see me react to. Subscribe if you hit that bell so you know if I anytime upload a video. Also go ahead and check out my reaction to episode 1 and 2 to Chainsaw Man, bro. It's a bonus for now.